Hello. Today we will talk about the fourth step of biological method. Fourth step of biological method is deductions. Let's talk about deductions in detail. How biologist draws deductions. In this step, biologist draws deductions from hypotheses. So what is the definition of deduction? Deductions are the logical consequences of hypotheses. How deduction is made. To make deduction, a hypothesis is taken as true, and expected results are drawn from it. These expected results are called deductions. Generally in biological method, if a particular hypothesis is true, then one should expect a certain result. These expected results are called deduction. If the hypothesis is true, then deductions are made. And this involves the use of if-then logic. If hypothesis is true, then deductions are made. Example of deduction is given below by using if and then logic. By this example, you can understand the concept of deductions. If a plant receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, then it will produce flowers. If and then logic is present in this example. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the fifth step of biological method, that is experimentations. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.